Here we divide 230 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 3 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now again we put down the number beside this 0. So now it became 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 230 divided by 2 is 115. So this much for today and thanks for watching.